Want to stop accidental or unwanted purchases in apps? Here's how to turn off in-app purchases on your iPhone. Perfect for kids or budget control. Like and subscribe for more iPhone safety tips. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If screen time is not already enabled, tap Turn on Screen Time. Then tap Continue and select This is my iPhone or This is my child's iPhone. Now tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn the toggle on at the top. Then tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Tap in App Purchases and select Don't Allow. Let's say in-app purchases are now disabled. If someone tries to buy something inside an app, it simply won't work. Like and subscribe for more iPhone how-tos and privacy guides. Stay in control of your device.